Okay, the video is recording. Okay, I just locked the GPS on, and you see how it stopped drifting around. Let's take it up some. Signal is good. We're 31 meters up. Okay, we're 92 meters out. Connection still working. Up, just disconnected. Just disconnected again. It's not like it should be losing the connection up there. I got 16 satellites. Okay, so it disconnected at 300 feet. So that's what you're looking at here with this, 300 feet. Just the way it is. Because I'm not going to keep going out there and testing that, because it's going to either, one, it'll go into return to home, or it'll fly away. I mean, that's what happens with these kind of things. They're not all guaranteed to come return to home. There's no guarantee of that ever happening. Especially with, a toy grade quadcopter. One of these other ones, yeah, that could be the case. But these are not guaranteed to return to home. They're just not. Okay, so let's try the follow me, and we'll see if it's following me or the transmitter. More than likely, it's going to be following the transmitter. Okay, the follow me works good, and it keeps a safe distance. It's not going to rush up on you and clobber you. Okay, so even if you have it down too low, it's still not going to come and get you. So, all right, so that works good. All right. Okay, that was return to home. Yeah, let's try a point of interest here. Let's do that. Oh yeah, the point of interest is really good on this thing. Really nice. All right, let's stop that. It made it all the way around. I guess it would most likely just keep going around and around if you didn't stop it. Yeah, so that worked out real good. That's one of the better features there. Let's bring it back now. Now what I'm going to do is this is the screen recording, what you're seeing here. I'm going to pop the SD card and I'll put the videos at the end of the couple flights I've taken. And you'll just see the video off the SD card. This is going to be, what you're seeing here is screen recording. Okay. But, you know, it seems to fly okay, you know. The point of interest works real good, and the okay, I'm getting some kind of warning here. Probably a battery warning, I guess. I guess I'm at half battery.